Okay, we're gonna replace this door today. This is a pile of junk. It's the old well house, and the door is just trashed. It lets a lot of wind in, and so I worry about this place freezing just about every winter. So I put a couple heaters in here and such. But I've had this door right here. I got this door from a job that didn't need it, and I've had it sitting in here for man, I would say almost maybe a year or more, and I'm finally getting around to it. So let's do it. That's how you take a door out.
Just a little sawzall action will cut your door right out real quick. This is a well house, and the outside, as you can see, is not in the greatest of shape, so I'm not too overly concerned about it being super nice and pretty right from the beginning. Sawzall comes in real handy for making quick work of nails, debris, random pieces of wood that have been nailed between the jamb and the wall. Grab the tape measure, start measuring the gap, the opening, measure the door, make sure it's going to fit. Realized that it wasn't going to fit, so I'm going to have to cut a little more out. Move the king stud over. Luckily the header's long enough that it doesn't matter. When I put the door in the first time, realized I forgot the little plastic plug that holds the door shut in the jamb. Move it around. Sometimes you just need a hammer to move it around. Start screwing it in and adjusting it, get the gaps right.
Okay, well, we got it in, or I got it in, I should say. There's no multiple personalities here today. Had to make some slight adjustments. I call them, or actually my brother-in-law calls them, homeownering it, which is making it, you know, a little shady sometimes or whatever. But it's in, it closes good, the gaps are good, and I'm gonna finish sealing it up and put the doorknob on.
Just a little extra trim that I had left over from another job. Always comes in handy to hang on to some things. Measure once, and then let's go ahead and cut it 2 or 3 times.
Hey, so sometimes, I wouldn't say I'm a hoarder, but I do save stuff. So this the old doorknob off of one of our bedroom doors when we replaced all the doorknobs in the house. I saved them, a couple of them, you know, just in case. And this is a perfect opportunity. I can use this on the well house. I don't care, nobody else cares, and it's gonna work just fine. Recycled doorknob.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Please subscribe, get those subscribers up, and likes on the videos, and let's keep them rolling.